Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making sunny side up egg. These eggs are excellent way to start the day. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna place the pan over medium-low heat. Then we're gonna add olive oil. If you want, you can also use butter or coconut oil. Switch the oil around to cover the pan. Put the pan back on the heat. Gently crack an egg into a pan. Turn down the heat to low. Then cook undisturbed until the whites are just barely set and the yolk is still raw and translucent. Season with salt and black pepper. As soon as egg whites turns opaque and there's no clear white remaining, we're gonna remove pan from heat and gently slip a spatula around edges of the egg to make sure it's free of the pan. Then we're gonna tilt and carefully slip the egg into a plate. Tips of the day: heat control is crucial. If you cook with too much heat, the whites will toughen and brown the edges, and the yolks will cook partially through the time the whites are set. Second tip: sunny side up eggs are not cooked through, so it's best you buy pasteurized eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my